Moldova is a small, landlocked country in Eastern Europe, nestled between Romania to the west and Ukraine to the north, east, and south. It was once part of the Soviet Union and gained independence in 1991. Moldova is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes, including rolling hills and extensive vineyards. The country is one of Europe's least visited but holds many hidden gems, such as the medieval Orhăiul Vechi monastery complex and the bustling capital city, Chișinău, which is characterized by Soviet-era architecture mixed with modern development. Wine production plays a significant role in Moldova's economy, with its wine being internationally recognized. Despite its natural beauty and cultural heritage, Moldova faces significant challenges. It is one of the poorest countries in Europe, with economic difficulties stemming from a history of political instability, corruption, and reliance on agriculture. The breakaway region of Transnistria has also complicated relations between Moldova and its neighbors. Nevertheless, Moldova's European aspirations have grown in recent years, with the country pursuing closer ties with the European Union while balancing its historical and economic connections to Russia. Moldova's rich history, scenic landscapes, and cultural traditions continue to attract interest from travelers and geopolitics alike.